Hi, everybody. I wanted to send you a short email and this short video message to make sure that we are all online for all of us to finish our skills certificates and for you folks to get your endorsements as K12 computer science teachers. So the first thing is, it seems a little strange, but you have to go through the process to graduate. Now, you don't have to go through the stage. You don't have to get a cap and gown, but you have to go through the process. And the way that you do it is you'll see here at the bottom of this email, there is a HTTPS /area 10 graduation application. And if you click on that, hopefully, it will come up, and what you'll see is there is at this website, at this point on our nwc.edu, there's a form, and you just have to fill this out. You put in your student ID number, your date of birth, your first, middle, and last name, your email address, local or home phone number, and your mailing address. Then where you are from, that's just for printing in our graduation bulletin. Now, the anticipated graduation is either going to be the spring of 2021 or the summer of 2021. And what that depends upon is if you have robotics, a substitute for robotics or not. So we'll go back and take a look at that here in academic program. Like I was saying, here in academic program is where you will put in your degree program, which is right here, the K12 Computer Science Endorsement Skills Certificate. So in other words, and you don't even have to sign this, you can just do this in lieu of a signature and then send your request. And I believe it costs $20. It says it does here. But like I said, you don't have to buy a cap and gown or anything. You don't have to go through the ceremony unless you want to. Now, going back to the email that this is actually a part of, you'll notice that I've taken all of our initials and put them into a spreadsheet. The three people, and this is just because of FERPA, I just don't want to put your names. The three people who appear at the first are eligible to graduate in May of 2021 because they have a substitute for robotics. The rest of us will be taking robotics in May and June and graduating in July. The last three people have other things that I don't have yet for their graduation, so we won't be ready to go. The other, unless there's some information that I'll be getting in the near future. So the other thing I wanted to let you know is that robotics this summer is going to be offered in those two different days. One would be in May 29th, where we're going to be doing Lego robots, and the next is in June. It's June 18th or 19th. I can't remember which, but it will come out very soon. And that's when we'll be doing drones. And if you do both days, you won't have any paperwork to do. If you can only do one day, we'll substitute some paperwork for the time spent together in class. Now, if there's anyone else, any of your other colleagues who want to do this program and get a K12 computer science endorsement, they can take robotics with you this summer, and they can also take Intro to Computer Science and Social Media for K12 teachers. Those classes will be offered this summer. We learned from working with you that you guys are really busy during the school year, and y'all made a real valiant effort, but I know it would be easier for you to do more of the courses in the summer, so we're changing the program up to make that happen. What that means is then anybody who starts this summer, and if they take all three of those courses, they'll just have Computer Science 1 in the fall and Application Development in the spring. So hopefully that will work better with your schedules. But for you guys, we're almost done. We're on the home stretch. And I just want to make sure that you're ready to go and graduate. So if you have any questions or problems, please either email me or call me at 307-272-1833 and we'll get you squared away. So have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you real soon.